the many exercising options. If you have chosen resistance training at the gym, then it is important to remember how important it is to use a correct technique while training. Or otherwise one might end up in a hospital, and we don't want that. In this video, I will be sharing the mistakes to avoid and the correct technique to do a few exercises at the gym. The exercise about which we are going to discuss today is called leg curl. Adjust the roller pads to an appropriate position away from the joints. Take care not to put the roller pad on the knees. Adjust the seat back so that the back is upright against the back pad. Keep the back neutral, relaxed, and upright against the back pad. This is a wrong way of doing it. The adjustment of the lower roller pad is not proper, and you need to keep your torso upright. Also, do you hear this sound when the weight touches the weight stack? Make sure you do not create this sound. Exercise should be performed in a smooth and continuous manner and without the weight touching the weight stack between the repetitions. So stay safe and stay fit. See you next time with a new exercise video and to discuss the mistakes to avoid at the gym.